Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can update Messenger. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Messenger, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the chat section, people, and right here you're going to find stories. So basically guys, right now, go ahead and click on the sandwich icon in the top left corner. Once you do that, right here you're going to find your chats, marketplace, message requests, and lastly archive. In the top, you're going to find this little gear icon. If you click on it, this will take you to this page. So basically guys, right here, you're going to find all of your Messenger settings. Go ahead and scroll a little bit down until you find preferences. Here under preferences, you're going to find your avatar, notifications and sound, privacy and safety, data saver, photos and media, chat heads, and lastly, app updates. Go ahead and click on app updates, and then you're going to be right here in this page. So basically, guys, right here, you're going to find auto update messenger, updates messenger over cellular, and right here, you're going to find notifications, messenger updates available. So right now, go ahead and make sure you enable auto update messenger, and then just go back to messenger. Then the application should be updated automatically. If you want to update messenger manually, just go to your Play Store or App Store. For example, I'm going to go to Play Store, then search for messenger. And then once you do that, go ahead and click on Messenger, then click on Update. You're going to find this right here. If you don't find the update option, that means that the app is already updated. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.